Here are the results from a survey where 100 people were asked for their birth month, and I'd like to see how many birthdays fall in each month. This is Sarah from Contextures.com. I'd like to see how many birthdays fall in each month. I could do that by listing the months over here and then using a formula to get the results, but it would be way faster to use a pivot table, so of course that's what I'm going to do. The first step is to add a heading to the list, as you see here, and I need this to make sure the pivot table works properly. Next, I'm going to click on any cell in my list and head to the Insert tab on the ribbon. I'll then click Pivot Table. The dialog box shows that the range from my list is already selected, so I'll leave that. Down below, I need to indicate where I want the pivot table to live. Instead of having the results on a separate worksheet, I'm going to select Existing Worksheet and then select the location. I want it to start on D3, so I'll select that. I've got a blank pivot table, and now I want to select the birth month in the pivot table fields. Now you can see that all of the months populate. Now to get those totals, I'm going to have to drag the birth month into the values area. And there you go, the results of the survey, and much faster than using a formula.
Thanks for watching this video. You can go to my website, Contextures.com, to get this workbook, and please subscribe to my Contextures YouTube channel so you can see the latest videos as I post them.